Down here in Garland City, hunting rabbits. Got Queen and Greg done killed this first rabbit. Don't shoot the dog.
I got his ass. That's down, folks.
I thought he had shot the dog. I thought you had shot the dog.
Oh, damn, shoot, get the gun from him. Shoot, that motherfucker, that shoot.
He's shooting in the bushes.
There you go, right there.
Where the rabbit at? Oh, Lemon.
Lemon run right there.
Oh, yeah, you got it. Go get the rabbit, buddy.
Jump in the game, get
Huh?
You got cover ride, go ahead.
Oh, you gotta go get your own rabbit now. You gotta get your own kid. Tell it, buddy.
You and me down there. Oh, please don't super dog.
Hell yeah.
That's a foul.
Buddy blasted like a motherfucker. Dead. Dead rabbit.
Hey, tell him that's that community stop right there.
Dead rabbit. Dead.
That community stop.
Dead, Jake.
Hey, that's that community stock right there. Nothing but good shit. Nothing but good shit. That boy there.
Man, that nigga that was busting like a motherfucker.
That nigga that was playing that damn 12, boy.
I get my 2-out shotgun from that nigga.
Oh, please don't shoot my dog, please.
Queen, that nigga that tied it up.
Hey, no, hell you don't. You know I'm still one up.
Yeah, well, I got 3, you got 3.
I got 2.
And bro got 2.
We finna put his ass back together, no bullets.
Yeah, we got to give him this.
Shoot.
We got old Greg, this is his first time. He hunting the 410.
I thought we
Zoom in one
I thought
time.
you was shooting at the dog for a second.
Yeah, I said, that nigga gonna kill the dog.
That